Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I am going to discuss the introduction of Rehman Baba and his poem My Lord. As Rehman Baba, he was a prominent philosopher and he is considered one of the greatest Pashto poets. He was born at Bahader Kalay village. He lived a secluded life, and most of his poems were written around 1660 and 1710. His poems had a touch of mysticism in them and were usually about God, morality, and brotherhood. His mausoleum, it means tomb, और जिसे हम कह लें कि उनका जो मज़ार है, it was constructed by the Pashto of Afghanistan in 1954, is in Hazar Khwani area close to Peshawar city in northwest frontier province of Pakistan. Sadly, in March 5, 2009, Army set up remote control bombs and partially destroyed the tomb or mausoleum. Apparently, they were upset that women were visiting the shrine. Every year in April, fans of Rehman Baba's poetry hold a festival at the mausoleum. उन्होंने उस टूम को जो था वो डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया था क्योंकि वहाँ पे औरतें जाना शुरू हो गई थी, वहाँ जाके दुआएं मांगती थी। तो वो कहते थे कि ये कहीं यहीं पे पूजा वगैरह ना करना शुरू हो जाए या ऐसा कोई सीन ना हो जाए, तो इसलिए फिर उन्होंने उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया। नाउ द क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस ऑफ द पोएम माई लॉर्ड इज़, in this poem, he praises Allah Almighty and says that God is all powerful, and he appreciates his attributes and qualities and deeds of God in this poem. The poet says Allah can do anything. First, he is addressing us to look all the things which have been created by Allah. Allah does great things, he says. He does not need to request anyone to do work, he only commands them. He says, my Allah is above all from the great and virtuous people that one can name. Allah is beyond them all. He does not depend on others like human or other creatures who depends on someone for their needs. He does not owe to anyone. He has created life from soil. He has created all the things beautifully. As Allah is our creator, He hears all speeches and wishes inside our heart. He knows everything. Then He says, the secrets and fragrances that Allah made, no human can make or create like the fragrances. He says, Allah is the creator of this world and one to come. He needs friendship from no one. Those who become friends of Allah don't need any other friend. Allah does not change or transfer. He is always constant. So in this poem, the poet tells that Allah is everything. He is our creator. He is everlasting. So this was all about the poem and its critical analysis. Allah Hafiz.